Hey guys, so today I'm very excited because I've got a big Lolita haul to share with you. So most of this stuff is going to build a new coordinate that I'm very excited about. It's a new color scheme, it's a new theme. I've never done this, so yes, cannot wait. And then all of the other stuff is just bits and bobs to go with existing coordinates, help change up some of my dresses a little bit so I can get some more wear out of them, you know, that kind of stuff. So you might remember me saying that I'm not going to be spending much money on Lolita this year, and yep, that's totally the case. I'm now a poor student, which we're excited about, by the way. I got into university. Woo! So yeah, man, I don't have money to spend on Lolita this year. So all of the stuff that I bought was actually like a Christmas present kind of thing. My partner gave me a Prezi card, which is just like a card to buy stuff on the internet or in real life. I don't know, it's just a card with money. But you can use it anywhere kind of thing. So I used that to have like a little Lolita shopping spree for myself. I'm gonna start off with these two items here. So I have one black one and one white one. They are the same thing, just different colors. So I've been very excited to get one of these into my wardrobe. I think they can, yeah, add a lot of difference if you don't own a lot of pieces, or if you just want to get more wear and more different coordinates out of the same dress. I would highly recommend adding something like this. So I'll whip out the white one first. This is it here in all of its glory. Can anybody tell what this is? It's an overskirt. So just this, like, you know, simple piece of material, and then it will have little ties that you can bring it around and tie it up in the front. I will do close-up detail shots of all of the lace because it's actually really cute. So yeah, I'll show you everything close up in detail after we kind of just skim through it all. And here is the black one. Exactly the same. Straight off the bat I can see the lace is the same, the gold detailing is the same as the white one. It just comes in the black colorway. So next items are a couple of blouses. So here is the little white one. She is cropped as well, and I'm super into having kind of cropped blouses underneath my dresses. It's just less material up underneath your dress, and I feel like it's a lot more breathable, you know, it doesn't get too hot. This is really precious though. Oh my gosh, I love it, and it's really soft. My lord, that's really nice. So this is the one that I got in white, and here is the black one as well. So exactly the same, just in black. It's a really adorable. I'm very excited to wear this, especially in the summer, you know? It just gets so hot with all of the layers, man. I love little kind of see-through-y crop blouses like this underneath my dress. It's definitely more comfortable to wear. So this is the first, what's it called, petticoat that I bought off the internet, and I'm really surprised, man. It's really quite nice. So the petticoats that I currently own are like secondhand store ones kind of thing, just things that I found locally. I've always been worried that buying a petticoat off the internet, like, it's just gonna arrive and it's just not gonna be poofy enough. But this looks really poofy, man. I'm very pleased with it. I've looked at it for 2 seconds, but already I feel like it's wonderful. It looks like we have, let's count, 1, 2, is it just 2 layers? No, 3, I think it's 4 layers. Gosh, it looks amazing. I'm super into it. And it has a little, like, ribbon so you can tie it into a bow. That's cute. I will be linking everything in the description box for you. So if you really enjoy any of these pieces and want to try them out for yourself, please go ahead, check out those links. Next up, I have a couple of wigs, which I'm very excited to try. So this one, I feel like when I bought it, it's like this bluey gray kind of wig. Oh my gosh, it's really precious. It's super soft. You can see, yeah, it's like a lilac-y, but it's also got some natural fibers in here, like a kind of blondish, brownish color, and the wee bangs. So this wig here I specifically bought for the coordinate I'm about to show you, my new dress. So I don't own anything like this. So if you can see, it's like cute blonde. It goes down to this like pink, but it's a really light kind of muted pink, like more natural, if that's the word we can use to describe it. And of course some bangs, because yes, they are adorable. But yeah, man, I really wanted a shorter wig because I have other outfits which, you know, you want to show off the blouse more, or like, you know, the front of the dress. And when you have long hair, you know, man, you kind of just, you can't see it as much. So I would recommend, if you're into wigs, you know, it's nice to have a short one as well for those coordinates that, you know, have a lot going on up here, man. You wanna show it off. Let's get into the accessories. So let's start with this, the head bow. Let me bring it out. Feeling this is definitely quite flimsy. The, oh my lord. That's really cute. It's like off to the side. Ah! I suppose if you wanted Oh yeah, duh. Okay, if you wanted to move it around, it totally moves around freely, which is quite cool. Up here, I feel like I look like Kiki's delivery service. Well, you know, I look like Kiki, there we go. But yeah, nah man, it's precious, I adore it. What was I saying? This bit, the headband, is definitely flimsy. So, you know, be careful if you buy this with how much you're bending it around, man, because she will break on you. I got another headband. There are a couple of strawberries, bows on the side. It's got little like noisy bits, cute, and then more bows everywhere. So I figured I would be able to put the two together. Yes, yup. Do we see? Yeah, man. Okay, I'm loving it. Next up, wrist cuffs. I thought they might be a bit tight for a second. They're actually very dainty little things, aren't they? These are really sweet. The lace at the top has like a little bow detail, and then the lace down here has little stars. It's adorable. I love the two kinds of lace together. They're not super tight, but they're snug on the wrist. There's not much of give, so okay, when I stretch it like that, it looks like there's a lot, but I feel like they're not as stretchy as other wrist cuffs that I've had, so be mindful if you're interested in these. So next up, I have some more bows. Now, these bows, this bow and those wrist cuffs were actually like additional add-ons to my dress, so these are meant to go with the dress, if that makes sense. This strawberry cuteness off the side, this was just some strawberry accessories that I found, so it's not part of the set or anything, but clearly it goes pretty nicely. So I could add extra mini bows up here, bows on top of bows everywhere, or if I wanted, I could add them to the dress if I feel like the dress needed a bit of spicing up in some other locations. These are really cute. They attach with this kind of, I don't know, hair clip. very standard hair clip. Lucky last accessory. Now this, again, I just found, you know, searching strawberry accessories. It's not part of the set or anything, but I think it's gonna go nicely. So let's bring it out. And this is it. It's actually a choker. I feel like this could easily turn into a headpiece as well if you wanted to, but it's meant to be a choker. I'm definitely gonna adjust this a little bit. So looking at it dead on like this, you can see that this, the little like main showpiece, the strawberry, sits sideways. Now that's just because of the way they've made the hoops, you know what I mean? Like the way it's attached, it's only ever gonna sit sideways. I suppose when it's flat on your neck, it could sit normal, but no, I'm going to take that off and put it back on so it sits nice and flat like that. And I'm gonna make those, what are these called? These shorter. Is one longer than the other? No. It might come down too much. Although, it actually looks like a really kind of cute Peter Pan collar effect. Okay, you know what? I might not change the size of the beads. So next up, I have some shoes, which I'm so excited about. I have not bought Lolita shoes in the longest time. I've just not been able to justify spending the money on it because I do have other shoes which could suit the things that I'm wearing. But I don't have anything red. This is the first time I'm adding this color into my wardrobe, which can be a bit expensive because if you don't have this colorway going on, then you have no, like I have no accessories, I have no shoes, I have nothing that suits red. So, mate, we had to get some red shoes. And these were mega affordable. Oh, okay, so they're little red shoes, very classic, easy style. You know what I mean? Like this style is replicated everywhere in Lolita. It's so cute. I absolutely love the little heart cutouts. Can we see? A little bit at the top as well, this little bit up the middle, I mean. Adorable. We have a bow here, and nice fat heel, man. The fatter the heel, the more comfortable I find the shoe. So we're up to the last item, the dress, the thing that I am probably most excited about, I suppose. Let me bring it up here. So here it is, the dress. I'm so excited to open it. Straight off the bat, it honestly feels like it has a good amount of weight behind it. And when you start wearing a lot of cheaper Lolita, you will understand that when the dress feels a little bit more weighty, it just definitely feels more luxurious when you're wearing it. It doesn't feel really cheap, you know what I mean? Like super cheap pieces just feel thin and stuff. Like my bodyline dresses, you know, they're just one layer and it feels like that when you're wearing it. But yes, oh my god, okay, let's just open it, let's open it. Everything about it is adorable. Okay, so this is it. I haven't even looked at the front yet. I'm showing you guys first. Let me turn it around and have a stare. Oh, I love it. I love everything about it. Man, it's gorgeous. So I'm definitely going to do some close-up shots for you guys, and I'm going to put it on my mannequin. I feel like, duh, that's a great idea. I've done that once before, or maybe twice, and apparently forgot about it since then. It looks so cute. This is so precious. I seriously cannot wait to wear this. So let me chuck it on the mannequin right now really quickly, and then I can show you some of the nice details up close. And then I'm going to try everything for the strawberry coordinate on to show you guys what it looks like. I'll also trial the what are they called? The overskirts on top of this, so you can imagine how it can totally, I don't know, make a little bit of a different coordinate if you do only have a couple of dresses.
This dress is from a brand named Winky, and here on the back is just a little extra button. The lace on this dress is adorable. So up here we have some stars, and further down we have some little bows, and then underneath that it's back down to the star pattern. Here is the back of the dress. You can see the waist ties come apart with those little love heart buttons, and it is fully sheared. The straps on this dress do come with 2 settings, just attachable by the super cute love heart buttons. While I was filming this dress is when I realized, oh my gosh, it has pockets. So this is the best thing ever. They're quite nice deep pockets, and yeah, I love that. The bow on this dress is actually sewn on, so it's attached in the middle and at the top as well. And here it is, the print on the dress. So you can see in very cute swirly writing, it says the word strawberry. It's covered in strawberries as well as flowers and bows and some lace detailing. Super precious. The lace at the bottom of the dress is definitely more classic. And then here you can see the dress itself is just the 2 layers. Underneath that is the new petticoat we're trying out. So here is the black overskirt on my dress. You can see it does leave a nice gap up the middle. It has lace, gold detailing, and I've just tied it up in a simple bow at the front. So I've just popped it underneath the bow a little bit like that, so it's got little dangly tassels, which I think look quite cute. And here is the white version of my overskirt. So you can see the lace has cute little love hearts, swirly detailing. This one does have the gold detail as well. On this one, I decided to cross over the straps so I could tie it up at the back. So here you can see, you do have a couple of options if you didn't want those tassels hanging down at the front of the overskirt. Here you can see the detail at the top of the skirt, which is very sweet. The black one is the same. And here it is, the full coordinate all together. So I just paired it with some white tights, which I thought were quite sweet. But yeah, I love the look. I think it's adorable. Definitely going to be my favorite of 2020.
Everything about this, I love it so much. It's just, I'm in awe of everything. I think it looks so cute and put together nicely. And I showed you the pockets, right? I must have. These freaking pockets, they're amazing. So this is the wig, which I adore. I'm wearing it pretty far back, so like if you were to separate up here, you could see my hair quite easily. So I will bring it forward and trim the bangs up so that it actually fits my head properly. I'm not trying on the blue wig because I want to go outside and take photos like this. But yeah, nah man, the blue wig is no doubt going to be fabulous. And here we go, maybe I'll pinky promise to wear it in an upcoming video like soon so you can see it. The choker is experiencing the problems which I anticipated, and it's just because this has been put on the wrong loop, the little strawberry piece, which is adorable. Like I want it to live there. It is on an angle, man, and you can't get it to lie flat. So I'm just going to take that off and reattach it with another little hoop so it does lie flat. Originally, when I was looking at this, I thought the beads were too much. I was like, Jesus, that's like they're too long. But no. Nope, I love them where they are. So I didn't show you the blouse when it was on the mannequin because I wanted to focus on the dress. So this is the blouse once it's on, and yeah man, it's just sweet, it's cute. Final thoughts is I love everything. Lucky me, lucky me, I think everything looks really good. It all fits, which is nice. The only issues I had, like say with this sideways strawberry, very fixable, and for the amount of money that I spent on it, it's remarkable. I'm not whatsoever bothered about it. Sure, if I spent 20 bucks on this, I would be like, hey, why doesn't it conform to my human body? But no, I spent like nothing on it, so I'm not bothered to fix it. And being kind of a crafty person, I find it very easy to fix those things. Maybe if you're not so crafty, it might be a bit of a pain in the bum. do keep that in mind. So now that I have this dress in my collection, I'm officially going to do a Lolita wardrobe tour. So it's not this video, clearly, but yes, I'm very excited to share my wardrobe with you. It is January, and yeah, I need to film this like now almost because I'm running out of January. If you don't know, January is like post your wardrobe month, you know, in the world of Lolitas. This is when we share our wardrobe with other Lolitas and just share your collection, man. It's like an art collection, you know. You really become so proud of all the pieces that you've slowly put together, and it's nice to be able to share that with other people who totally appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I hope you may have enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing you and sharing with you all of these lovely pieces. I'm in such a sweet, happy, lovely mood. I love fashion for that, man. Fashion can change everything in some senses, in some personal inner feeling senses. I'm happy snappy. Thank you for being here with me. You know, I really appreciate you watching my videos and taking the time to comment and stuff. So yes, that is everything. I hope you had a good time. As much as as much as the good time I had. Oh, I know I get awkward, eh? But yeah, man, that's it. Thank you very much, and hopefully I'll get to see you in my next video. Bye!